SMX is trending up 83%. This is Friday, the 6th of February 2026. Okay, so far 50 million shares have crossed the tape. 50-day average is around roughly 3 million. So we're looking at over 3x its 50-day average. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, it dropped 17% yesterday, the 5th, to $8.35 and rebounded sharply in this session, amplified by aggressive buying and discussions on social platforms, highlighting potential short squeezes and strength. This appears tied to lingering optimism from January's convertible note conversions and sustained partnerships in molecular marking technology, but no new announcements emerged. Okay, volume has, yes, indeed spiked relative to recent averages, supporting the move as traders piled in on an on oversold conditions, though broader market context remained neutral for small caps. Okay, the short interest is not that significant, 5.35. Float is still very tiny. Okay, yeah, and the borrow rate 196.75%. I don't think it's going to worry them that much, but it is quite high. You know, yeah, high beta as well, 3.4 volatility. It's optionable. Implied volatility is 349.15%. Historical volatility 270%. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that this strength might remain in place. It's, yeah, saying it's going to remain in place. I mean, all the way towards the 10th of March, but you can't rely on that at all. And we know the stock has it has squeezed the highs of around 331, 30, let's see, 336. Let's see whether that intraday high is still visible. And let's see. No, it's not really visible anymore. Yeah, but we have it here, 331. Yeah, even higher. But there's no guarantee that this extrapolation that it's going to continue to print higher prices will pan out. But there's a chance that at least come Monday the 9th, it might still be the same. So the stock is showing a lot of strength within a longer term bearish trend. Let's see what the market grid is indicating. Okay, so the stock is now way outside of its market grid. So there's a chance that it might pull back. Yeah, there's a chance it might pull back. Um, let's see what we have. We have this. It has a support at 13.43. Anything backing up? Anything supporting any other price supporting that? No. Uh, Fibonacci projection of 225. Okay, fascinating. That's the projection. That's it here. And the algos have been reiterating this projection. They started to. It was initiated on the 12th of December, and they're still reiterating it up till today. There's something there. Still very much valid. Still very much valid. Even higher projections. Even higher projections. All the way towards $2,000. Yeah. Okay, let's see. The 4-hour chart may have accommodated. I don't think so. We want to see it within a market grid. No, the market grid hasn't reacted. We need more time. So in any case, it's at 15.41. We'll scan through here to see if there's any support. There's 13.64. We've seen it here again on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, 13.64, 13.48 is support. Okay. On the 1-hour chart, let's see what we have. The stock is within that grid, so we have a range of between 20.29 and 12.29. Yeah, we have another 13.23, so it is yeah, we can't ignore that. It's at 15.36 now, so this is just right where it is. There's a chance we might get a bounce at S3. We've seen that $13 being retreated on 3 instances. Okay, and the extrapolation is saying that it might get a bounce. Okay, could it be on all the way down towards $13? Yeah, here's equally extrapolating high prices all the way towards Tuesday the 10th, but you can't rely on that at all. No guarantee that will be the case. Let's see what the momentum is going to indicate. Okay, this is the 10, the price pressure momentum of its 10-day moving average. Let's see what it's saying. Okay, the stock is still it was declining. It's still losing ground. Yeah, still losing ground. Even though the stock is up 80 what 80% 81%, so still declining, but it may reverse course anytime soon. If it adds more strength, it might reverse it, but it has actually obviously has actually improved. It was actually declining by $7 earlier on. Yeah, now declining by $2, so it is reversing course. And the momentum is saying that it may lose some momentum towards the end of tomorrow's trading session. I mean Monday's trading session, and then from the next day it's expected to explode. Okay, aligning with this extrapolation we are looking at here. This it has a weekly chart as well. It's not quite an old stock. Here as well, explosion is expected from Monday Monday the 9th of February. High prices are expected to continue to print up till the 23rd of February. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of a collapse. Okay, we'll see how all of this will pan out. Projections, look at this, 86,000. 86,000. That will make you happy, I'm sure. 86,000. Yeah. Monthly chart, anything there? Okay, no extrapolations, not that old. Yeah, we're looking at you look at this. This is saying 2 million, 2.81, 2 million and some fraction. No, it's not even 2 billion, $2 billion, $2.8 billion. Yeah, okay. I mean, I'm not making up. I'm not making it up. Look sideways, you see it, $2.8 billion. Okay, yeah. What are the odds of those printing? Yeah, so that's what's going on right now. The stock is trending. Still a low float stock. Short interest is not very high. Borrow rates quite high. I mean, but we've seen higher borrow rates. We've seen higher borrow rates. So far, volume for this session more than 5x so far. Yeah. Okay, just be really careful. It cuts both ways. It cuts both ways. Yeah. If it's going to do well, it will also if it will advance, it will also crash. The way it expands is also the way it's going to contract. You know. Yeah. Okay, so I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.